Hello friends! Today we are making a lava lamp right at home. For this experiment, you'll need vegetable oil, a glass jar, a fizzy tablet, and a flashlight. Originally, this project calls for food coloring, but you can also use natural substitutes like cherry juice, beet juice, or even turmeric. Today we'll be using cherry juice. First, pour some cherry juice into the jar. This will be our colored water base. Then, carefully add vegetable oil almost to the brim. Wait a moment for the oil and juice to separate into 2 layers. Next, drop in a fizzy tablet and watch as bubbles of color rise and fall, just like in a real lava lamp. For the best effect, turn off the lights and shine a flashlight on the jar. And there you have it, your very own homemade lava lamp. For more fun projects and fascinating science, subscribe to OYLA Magazine. Check the description box for more information.